Hello friends, my name is Vikas. So friends, in this video we will be discussing about some of the most important current affairs of the second week of September. This video will be very helpful to you, so do watch the video till the end, hit the like button and share the link of this video with your friends. So friends, we'll start with the session, but before that we have something important to tell you about. We have an app by the name Carriers Cloud which you can go and download through the Play Store. Once you have downloaded the app, you will open the app and you will see this type of screen. In this, you can go and log in with your Google account, that is your Gmail ID. Then once you have logged in, then you will be moved to this page where you can see a window. If you click on the current affairs section here, then you will be moved to this page. Now this is where magic happens. This is the course where there are two courses provided by us. First, you should know it is of 1 year and 2 years, so choose your course accordingly. What we are providing and what is the reason behind that you should purchase course of current affairs from us, and what are the important details about it. First thing, you should know that we provide you current affairs in both English and Hindi. Okay, also we provide you here current affairs daily. PDFs are provided daily. The important factor here to remember is we are providing PDF to you daily. Okay, that contains question answers of the daily current affairs. They are explained in a much easy way where you can grasp the knowledge and do your revision. Okay, apart from app, we provide you with question answers. Then on every day we provide you 20 question answers quiz, daily 20 questions quiz. So imagine how much it will benefit you in your preparation. Then we provide you same thing for weekly. In weekly we take a quiz of 50 questions. Then question answers of week, we provide you a book. PDF is provided you weekly of the compiled questions of the whole week. Similarly for monthly also, ebook is given, your quizzes are taken, question answers PDF. Then apart from it, we also help you to prepare for banking papers. All the banking exams you can go refer to our videos and our courses here. You can see here the we provide you banking and economic quiz of 157 questions. Okay, then topic wise PDFs are covered. As you can see, we are making videos on indexes and reports, important days, the books and authors, all the events that are taking place in individual months. So these PDFs are provided to you and they will help you a lot in your preparation for journal awareness, your journal studies, as well as for current affairs. Then you can see we also provide you current affairs for state wise current affairs are provided to you. Apart from this, I have a gift for all of my friends here. If you use my code Vikas10, you will be getting a straight 10% discount on the purchase you make. So when you are about to check out and do the payment, just before the payment, you will be getting an option to use the promo code. There you can put the Vikas10, the code, and you will be getting an extra 10% discount on the total purchase you make there. So let's start with our video. So friends, let's start with our weekly video. First, we'll be discussing some one-liner questions of topic national news. First is India's first emergency landing facility on national highway in Rajasthan. Important. In which state India will be getting the first emergency landing facility on national highway? It is Rajasthan. Next, Tamil Nadu and Denmark plan energy island in Gulf of Mannar. Government set up panel for farming new laws for drugs, cosmetics and medical devices. Panel that will be headed by Dr. VG Somani. Next, India will host BRICS Summit 2021 virtually. NIRF ranking for 2021. IIT Madras first in overall category as well as in engineering. India will host the first ever 2+2 ministerial dialogue with Australia. Next, Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated Sardar Dham Bhavan at Ahmedabad. Where is this Sardar Dham Bhavan will be inaugurated or located? It is located in Ahmedabad. US-India Strategic Clean Energy Partnership has been launched. Nokhai Juhar has harvested festival celebrated in Odisha. Question can be asked, market. Nokhai Juhar is a festival of which state? It is celebrated in Odisha. Next, India's largest open air foundry opened in Uttarakhand. Where is the India's largest open air foundry open? In Uttarakhand. Then Chhattisgarh launches millet mission. Millet mission was launched by which state? By Chhattisgarh. Then Project Udan was launched by which organization? It was launched by IIT Bombay. It can also be asked Project Udan is a project of or of which IIT? It is of IIT Bombay. Next. Next are some of the important days that you need to remember. Themes are not provided here of all the days because the same thing will be covering in our important days with a deep understanding. All right, with all the themes and proper days will be covering there. This is just the gist and one liner important ones. On 9th of September, we observe International Day to protect education from attack. 10th of September, we observe World Suicide Prevention Day. On 9th of September, we also observe Himalayan Day with the theme Contribution of Himalaya and Our Responsibilities. 11th September, we observe National Forest Martyrs Day. Makhavi Day, that is, I repeat, Mahakavi Day. This is not Makhavi, this is Mahakavi. Mahakavi Day, Tamil Nadu observes Subramanya Bharati's death anniversary on 11th of September, due to which we observe 11th September as Mahakavi Day. It is to honor whom? It is to honor Subramanya Bharati. And it is observed on 11th of September, Mahakavi Day. Observed by whom? Observed by which state? Tamil Nadu. Then 14th of September, we observe Hindi Divas. Very important question. Do take a note of this. When is your Hindi Divas observed? It is observed on 14th of September, and Hindi language is in which schedule or which article, to be precise, is given that it is our Rashtra Bhasha. Hindi is given in which article? Comment below. This is your homework. Next, 15th of September, we observe Engineers Day in India. And on 15th of September, we also observe International Day of Democracy with the theme Strengthening Democratic Reliance in the Face of Our Future Crisis. So these were some important days. Now, award, defense and sports. If we talk about the awards, Trichy Golden Rock Workshop bags the Best Energy Efficient Unit Award. I repeat, Trichy Golden Rock Workshop has been awarded as the Best Energy Efficient Unit Award. Next, Susanna Clark has won the Women's Prize for Fiction 2021. Can be asked. This is related to your fiction, literature or writing. Susanna Clark has won the Women's Prize for the fiction for the year 2021. Next is your Swami Brahmanand Award. This is very important award because this has been given to Sir Anand Kumar, who is the founder of Super 30 batch. He is the person who teaches students or 30 students and give them free education or free coaching for the IIT preparation or engineering coaching. Next, INS Tabar has conducted a maritime partnership exercise with Sudanese Navy in the Red Sea. Location and is important, as well as with which country's Navy? With Sudan's Navy, and the ship or the naval ship that took part from the Indian side was INS Tabar in the Red Sea. Next is related to your sports. IOC suspended North Korea from Beijing Olympics. That is, your International Olympic Committee has suspended which country from Beijing Olympics? North Korea. US Open 2021, Emma Raducanu has won the first Grand Slam in the women's single title. If we are talking about similarly for the first Grand Slam trophy, it was Dani Medvedev who has won the first Grand Slam trophy after defeating whom? After defeating Novak Djokovic. So question can be asked, first Grand Slam in women's single title was won by Emma. And if we are talking about first Grand Slam trophy in the men category, it was won by Daniil Medvedev. Next, Daniel Ricciardo has won the Italian Grand Prix for the year 2021. Important, take a note. Daniel Ricciardo has won Italian Grand Prix 2021. Sri Lankan fast bowler Lasith Malinga has announced retirement from all the forms of cricket. He is a very famous bowler. So question can be asked. Next, Joe Root and Amir Richardson has named ICC Player of the Month for the month of August. Alright. Next, from this, if you need to remember, the important ones are the IOC suspended which country? North Korea. From women who won? Emma. And from the men who won? Daniil Medvedev in the first Grand Slam trophy. Alright, and for if we are talking about Grand Prix, this is your Italian Grand Prix won by Daniel Ricciardo. So let's start with our MCQ questions. First question is, which is the first world or the world's first country to adopt Bitcoin as the national currency? Bitcoin is your cryptocurrency. So it question can also be asked in such a way that which is the first country in the world to adopt cryptocurrency as their national currency of their country? It is your El Salvador. Another thing you need to remember here is in the global crypto adoption index, in the global crypto adoption index, which is the country that topped? It was topped by, or the first position was secured by Vietnam, and second was of India. Who releases this global crypto adoption index? It was released by Chainlink. All right, moving on. Next question is, which payment bank recently signed an MOU with LIC Housing Finance Limited to provide house loans? Which was the bank? It was your India Post Payments Bank. I repeat, it was your India Post Payments Bank. Next, SERB will initiate the T1 today plus 1 settlement cycle for equity transactions from which date? This will be started from which date? It is your 1st of January 2020. All right, 1st of January 2022. From this date, the T1 transaction will start. Next, name the RuPay based API platform that was recently launched by National Payments Corporation of India in collaboration with Fiserv. What is the name of the RuPay based API platform that was recently launched by National Payment Corporation of India in collaboration with Fiserv? It was nFini. nFini. Option A is correct. Next question. As per the Hurun India Future Unicorn List 2021, India became the largest unicorn ecosystem in the world while Dash made it to the top. Then remember, in this question, if it is asked as per the Hurun India Future Unicorn List, the rank of India was third, and the country that made it to the top, or the country that topped this list or index, was USA. So the correct option here becomes option third, that is third and USA. Moving on. Next question is, as per the Hurun India Future Unicorn List of 2021, India became the largest unicorn ecosystem in the world while Dash made it to the top. We just saw this question, this is repeated. It is your third and USA. Alright, similar question. Moving on. Next is, who had recently signed a multi-year brand partnership with Tata AIA Life Insurance for promoting health and wellness among policyholders? Who is the brand ambassador of this Tata AIA Life? The person's name is Neeraj Chopra, who won gold medal in the javelin throw game in Tokyo Olympic Games. Next is, who was appointed in September as the managing director of Export Import Bank of India, that is your Exim Bank of India? Who was appointed as the MD, that is your managing director? He is Harsha Bhupendra. Harsha Bhupendra Bangari ji has been appointed as the managing director of Export Import Bank of India. Next, in September 2021, Vidyanathan was reappointed as the RBI as MD and CEO of which bank? He was appointed of IDFC First Bank. Alright, next. Which organizations recently developed the Inspire Sat-1 CubeSat for studying Earth's ionosphere? It was developed by all of the above: Indian Institute of Space Technology, India; Laboratory for Atmospheric and Space Physics, USA; National Central University of Taiwan; Nanyang Technology University of Singapore. These all four together developed this Inspire Sat-1 CubeSat for studying the Earth's ionosphere. Next, which of the following is not correct with respect to various proposals approved by the Union Cabinet? It is saying which is not. So you have to tell me that one is wrong. Alright, so let's read them once. First is, it approved the signing of MOU for cooperation in the field of geoscience between Russia's Roshgolia and Geological Survey of India. Yes, it is correct. Second is, Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs approved the increase in the MSP for all mandated rabi crops. This is also correct. Next is, it approved the procurement of 56 C-29 5MW transport aircraft from Airbus Defence and Space SA Spain. Yes, this is also correct. Next is, It approved the signing of an agreement between India and Portugal on the recruitment of Indian citizens to work in Portugal. Yes, fourth option is also correct. Last is fifth. This is wrong. It approved 9,083 crore production linked incentive scheme for the automobile sector for a period of 5 years. So this option is wrong. Next is who chaired the 8-member panel that was constituted by the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare to frame new laws for drugs, cosmetics, and medical devices. You have to tell me the name of the person who will be chairing this 8-member committee. What is the name of the person? He is VG Somani. VG Somani will be chairing the 8-member panel and this committee is constructed by whom? It is constructed by Ministry of Health and Family Welfare to frame new laws for drugs, cosmetics, and medical devices. Next, in September, South Indian Bank collaborated with OneCard to launch an app named it as Dash. Sir, remember, South Indian Bank recently collaborated with One Bank to launch an app and it was named as SBI One Card Credit Card. Option 3 is correct. Next question is, which bank recently launched a POS service, that is Wise POS Go, in collaboration with MS Vibe Technologies Private Limited for MSME customers? It was started by whom? It was started by Karnataka Bank. Option 1 is correct. Moving on. Next, which bank recently was delisted by RBI from its prompt corrective action restriction framework? Which is it? It is your UCO Bank. Next question. Name the person who was recently appointed as the new governor of Uttarakhand. Who was appointed as the new governor of Uttarakhand? Easy question. We have done this in our video. He is Gurmeet Singh. Alright, option 5 is correct. Gurmeet Singh was appointed as the new governor of Uttarakhand. Next, Satyajit Tripathi was appointed as the chairman cum managing director of which organization? So Satyajit Tripathi was appointed as the chairman and managing director of United India Insurance Company Limited. Option 3 is correct. Moving on. Next question. In September, under Green Strategic Partnership, Center for Excellence on Offshore Wind was jointly launched by India and which country? It was launched by which country? Tell me. We have also done this question. It was launched by Denmark. Option 2 is correct. Moving on. Next, name the exercise that was recently hosted by Russia and saw the participation of Indian Army. What is the name of that exercise? It is your Zapad 2021. Alright. Moving on. Another thing you need to remember is that Ramnath Kovind, who is the President of India, recently appointed new governors of 4 states. Banwari Lal Purohit ji of Punjab, Ravindra Narayan Ravi of Tamil Nadu, Jagdish Mukhi of Nagaland, Gurmeet Singh of Uttarakhand. Do remember these are important. Next, which organization recently handed over the first deliverable firing unit of medium range surface to air missile system, also known as Barrack 8, to the Indian Air Force? What is the organization? I repeat, what is the name of the organization that handed over first deliverable firing unit of medium range surface to air missile system, also known as Barrack 8, to the Indian Air Force? It is your DRDO, that is Defense Research Development Organization. Moving on. Name the world's largest CO2 capturing plant that was set up by Iceland to store CO2 from air in the form of rock. Important question, note it down. I repeat, world's largest CO2 capturing plant that was set up by which country? It was set up by Iceland and it is to store CO2 from air in the form of rock. What is the name of this CO2 capturing plant? It is Orca. Important question, take a note of it. Next, who is the current chairman of Coal India Limited? Current chairman of Coal India Limited is Pramod Agrawal. Next, in September 21, Dash collaborated with India to launch Strategic Clean Energy Partnership 2021 and agreed to expand their partnership by adding Dash to the list of areas of cooperation as its 5th pillar. I repeat, in September, USA collaborated with India to launch Strategic Clean Energy Partnership and agreed to expand their partnership by adding emerging fuels to the list of corporation as its fifth pillar. So option 1 here is correct. Moving on. Name the state that was ranked first by the Ministry of New and Renewable Energy for installation of off-grid solar pumps under the PM Kusum scheme. I repeat, name the state. You have to tell the name of the state that was ranked first by the Ministry of New and Renewable Energy for installation of off-grid solar pumps by the under PM Kusum scheme. Which was the state? It was your Haryana. And Haryana is the also state that has topped in CCTNS, or you can say the police of Haryana police topped in the CCTNS. Next, which center of Bharat Heavy Electronics Limited R&D, that is your research and development, inaugurated India's first indigenous designed high-ash coal gasification based methanol production plant? What is the name of this, or which is the center it is asking? Where is this center? It is located in Hyderabad, Telangana. It is located in Hyderabad, Telangana. Next, who recently got elected as the Prime Minister of Morocco in September 2021? New Prime Minister of Morocco is Aziz Akhouch. Alright. Next, who recently got elected? We saw this, Aziz Akhouch. In September, NASA's Perseverance rover collected its first pair of rock samples, and scientists are gaining new sights into the region. NASA was established by the US in which year? NASA was established by US in which year? Important question, do take a note of it. Alright, NASA was established in 1958. Alright, NASA was established in 1958. Moving on. Which is the first state to launch Medicines from the Sky initiative to use drones for delivery of machines? Important question. Alright, which is the first state to launch a system of delivering using drones? It was, or you can say, Medicines from Sky. This was started by which state? It was started by Telangana to deliver medicines by using drones. Next, in September 2021, Dash released Situation Assessment of Agriculture Households and Land Holdings of Households in Rural India 2019 that stated Dash of the India's agriculture households were in debt. I repeat, in September 2021, Dash released, you have to name the organization which released Situation Assessment of Agriculture Households and Land Holdings of Households in Rural India 2019 report that stated Dash of India's agriculture households were in debt. So remember, this was released by NSO, that is your National Statistical Office, and it stated that around 15.2% of India's agriculture households were in debt. Next, which payment bank recently enabled India's first FASTag based metro parking facility in partnership with Delhi Metro Rail Corporation? I repeat, which bank recently enabled India's first FASTag based metro parking facility in partnership with Delhi Metro Rail Corporation? It was your Paytm Payments Bank. Moving on. Next, who was recently appointed as the chairman of the National Commission of Minorities? The new chairman of the National Commission of Minorities is Sardar Iqbal Singh. I repeat, Sardar Iqbal Singh is the new chairman of the National Commission of Minorities. Next, who was recently appointed as the 17th Chief Minister of Gujarat? 17th Chief Minister of Gujarat is Bhupendra Patel. Important is this number of Chief Minister, or he was of which number Chief Minister? He was the 17th Chief Minister of Gujarat. Moving on. India's largest open-air fernery consisting 102 different varieties of ferns was inaugurated where? This was inaugurated in Ranikhet, Uttarakhand. I repeat, it was inaugurated in Ranikhet, Uttarakhand. This India's largest open-air fernery consists of 120 different varieties of ferns. Alright. And where it is inaugurated? It is inaugurated in Uttarakhand, Ranikhet, Uttarakhand. Next, which of the following is not correct with respect to the 2021 US Open Tennis Championship? So remember, here all options are correct. Alright, Russia's Daniil Medvedev defeated Serbia's Novak Djokovic in the finals of men's singles. Yes, he won it. We saw this question above. Emma won the women's single title and became the youngest female to win the Grand Slam title since Maria Sharapova. Then Samantha Jane Storzer and Zhang Shui of Australia-China pair won the women's double title. Alright, so all options here are correct. Next is your former cricket captain Brendan Taylor has retired from the international cricket in September 2021. Which country did he represent? He is asking former cricketer Brendan Taylor represented which country? He represented Zimbabwe. Next, when is the International Day for South-South Cooperation annually observed by United Nations? It is observed by United Nations on 12th of September. Alright, International Day for South-South Cooperation is observed across the globe on 12th of September to highlight economic, social and political developments of the countries in the southern region. Next, in September 21, Sri Lanka's government declared an economic emergency amid rising rising food prices and rapidly depleting the forex reserves. Emergency provisions in the Indian Constitution are derived from the Constitution of. Question here is asked is that emergency provisions or emergency provisions in Indian Constitution has been taken from which country's constitution? So it has been taken from Germany. Very good question, because now tell me, India's constitution DPSP, that is Directive Principle of State Policy, we have taken Directive Principle of State Policy from which country's constitution? Alright, or we have taken this from which country? Comment below. This is your homework. Alright, comment below now. Next, in September 2021, Dash released the Groundswell Part 2 Acting on Internal Climate Migration report, which predicts the migration of over dash people from their own countries by 2050. That means a report was released on the migration, that is acting on the international climate migration, which suggested that people are migrating from their own country to different parts of the world. It is saying which organization released this report and it is expected by how many people will be migrating to different countries by 2050. So remember, it is your International Labour Organization that released this particular report, and the number of person or the percentage that is being given in this data is how many people will be migrating to different parts of the country by 2030. I repeat, the ILO, International Labour Organization, did not give this report. This was given by World Bank. I correct myself, it is your World Bank that gave this or released this particular report, and around 216 million people will be migrating from their own country to different countries by 2050. Next, as per the QS Global MBA ranking for the year 2022, what is QS? QS is your Quacquarelli-Symonds. Then in the Quacquarelli-Symonds Global MBA ranking for the year 2022, which institute topped the B school ranking in India? It was topped by IIM Ahmedabad, and IIM Bangalore was ranked 50th in the global ranking. So the correct option becomes here option 2. Next, name the first Indian satellite and nuclear missile capable tracking ship that is capable of tracking long range ballistic missiles. What is the name of this ship? It has been named as INS Dhruv. Alright, for India's launched its first satellite and nuclear missile tracking ship, that is your Indian naval ship Dhruv. It is a first of its kind ocean surveillance ship that is capable of tracking ballistic missiles at a long range. Last question for the video is, National Hindi Divas is observed on which date? We just saw it is observed on 14th of September, and it also marks the birth anniversary of Rajendra Sinha ji. Alright, Rajendra Simha. So the correct option here becomes not this, it is your option 4th, option 5th, 14th September and Rajendra Simha ji. So friends, this was our video. I hope you enjoyed our video. If you liked our video, do hit the like button, share the link with your friends, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel or if you are new to our channel, then do subscribe, because it motivates us to bring a better content for you guys. Also, if you have any trouble regarding login or payment or any other issues, then you can reach to us on our mail, that is support@affairscloud.com, or you can call us on the number 9677333862, and we'll resolve your issue as soon as possible. Also, you should go and check our courses that are available at a very reasonable price, and that will help you to boost your preparation.